Fire and sound insulation, also known as mineral wool. This stuff works really well for sound, and it's really easy to install. You just throw it in here and press it into place. Just like that. And that is why I put that stud in there. You can see I tucked in some here when I did the living room remodel. I'm just going to tuck it back here, make way for a full piece. Jam it in here. Now we can put a full piece in here. Like that. And then, to cut this stuff, I like to use an old kitchen knife. I keep this around for this and fiberglass insulation, and use it just like a saw. Just don't put that back in the drawer. Put it in your toolbox. And that is how you install mineral wool. And this is R15, by the way. You can use this on outside walls. It just doesn't come with a vapor barrier. All right, now we do that anywhere it's missing. Go right here, but I'm gonna cut out for this 2x4. So make a mark there. Do a little something like this. Good thing is you don't have to be exact with this. And it's really easy to work with. As you can see, it cuts pretty easily. And you can take pieces like this and tuck them into small spaces. Let's see if that worked. Might need a ladder. I bet you'd be pretty good at this if you're a butcher. There we go, there's a fillet. There, that's better. And then I can use this piece here. And now I'm gonna cut these right down the middle so I can use them for the 2x3s. These are meant for 2x4s. Put that piece behind. There we go. Keep in mind, this stuff can make a mess. But I can take all this, I can put that in the wall. No mineral wool wasted. Now this is going to have to be set into the wall now that the drywall is going tight here. So first make sure there's nothing back there. And I'm just going to cut a square out. First, make a little path for the wire. And then cut out a square. I'll go something like that. Fill this back in. I can fine tune that when I actually do the drywall. Good. I'm gonna have to get this old wire out of here at some point. I'll just make sure I can see it so I don't forget about it. I can get to the staple still. That's good enough here. I'm just gonna leave this out and I'll fill it in when I take care of this wiring.